guys, as you know, and if you're watching for the first time, my name is Tise and this is my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to help the ministry to help me grow and continue giving you this free lesson. So today we want to learn free design. All I want you to learn is to see how I play around to get results, you understand? So it's just a kind of like scratch work. I've not done it from somewhere. I just want to learn something that I've learned through a lesson, a lecture I attended, and then I want to apply that same knowledge here. I'm using the same text, but I'm kind of like creating something. I'm trying to like go through so that you understand the rough on how process go and how processes are done and how we look at things and how I approach my graphic design way. So today basically we're going to learn how I approach these things together. So um no practice on this. I'm just learning from scratch. We will learn how to do a simple fast logo here, so we get started right away. So first of all, we need to create, and many things I'm going to apply here I've not used them before in this software. Okay, so I'm not sure if they will work or they will not work. I'm just trying so that we will learn it together, because this is a learning process. That's why I always start my lesson that today we want to learn, you understand? So some people will say, why do he always say we want to learn when he's the one teaching? Obviously I want us to learn it together, you understand? Something we need to understand. That is where beginners need to learn things, you understand? My approach to things will help you think faster and make decisions quicker. That will help you in design. So let's get started. So first of all, we need a logo. So I'm going to sideline this picture because we want a logo. So so needing a logo, I think I'm going to have this, and basically I'm going to just figure out a name. I'm just creating anything, okay, but it's for a construction company, like I said. So I think let me just place it somewhere around. So but or let's make it big so that I can see what I'm doing properly. So I kind of look for a font, and I just need a font. Oh, I think, can this go? Okay, I'm a kind of like this. So max, okay, so max whatever, max let me get another. I'm trying to create a logo here, just fast logo. I'm not thought of it. I'm just trying to think like what I'm supposed to think. So this is for supposed to, if it is 90 it will not go well. 35 should be straight line. Okay, thank you. So I'm just thinking like, okay, so I'm going to have this here. Because remember, it's a construction company, so we need as much hands as we can get. So I think let me get a color collection, something whatever here. So in case no, nothing like that, and then blue. So I'm going to duplicate. So this is how I go through my rough work. This is how I apply my tools and all these things before I decide on which to go with. So I think I'm going to combine these two colors together. So if I'm not mistaken, I want to try something, okay, because I like a situation where my colors can write on each other. Okay, I really love that. I really love to see something like that. Okay, let's see. Can you do something similar? Okay, so basically is this should be my dominant color. This orange going to be my dominant color, so I'm going to make orange my dominant, and so those ones should be up there. close up this. So basically, like I said, we're just learning from scratch so that you see how I go through my rough, um, how I do these things from start and without any help. Okay, which font again? I need a font that is cool. I think this one. Not a bad font though, because of the color shapes and all these things. As in the slant, this thing like buildings and structures and all these things. I think I may just love that, but I think a round one wouldn't be a bad idea because we're looking for we are what's that sound? Okay, we are creating a logo, so good. Now I'm going to take this all the way to the end. Now I have this, so I'm going to make this one the secondary color, and I'm going to change this. I think, should I leave it like this, or should I also change it to the secondary color? Which is best? Let's try. Max developers. Okay, let's leave it like this because we're just learning, so we'll leave it like that. And this one, I think I'm going to have to put it in the middle like this. So the logo thing, okay, let me get a background. From what I'm seeing, I may just have to eliminate this, what's it called, eliminate as in take the logo. Okay, let's just work first. If I don't like it, I'm gonna get another thing entirely. Wait, really? You just copied something and gave me a different version of it. How come this color is not lost in it? Which means your copy duplicate is wrong, right? The way you're copying is wrong, if I'm not mistaken. It's not lost. Oh, can you imagine? Supposed to lost in this, but you're not, which means the color is not copying accurately. That's the first thing I've seen here, I think. And I don't want to make this my dominant color, not at all. As in, I don't want that. But it's looking like, let me see, not lost. Okay, let's just use what we have. So I'm just going to use this, and I'll click on this and blend. What do we have? We have luminosity here. Hey, this is not working. Whoa, okay, this is not working. Wow, wow. Okay, what about if I do it this way? Okay, let's see. Will you work? Blend. Whoa, it's not working. Okay, now what do I do? What do I do? Because I wanted black on white, and then I wanted this color to come through. You understand? So which means that is not working properly. So, but nevertheless, I'm going to do it. I'm going to work on it like this, the way it is. So I have this color then. Okay, because I have basically the text that I have is determining what I'm using here. You understand? So I'm going to show you the text just now, right away, so that you understand why I'm making some of the decisions I'm making. So from here, I think down here, send to back, change to white, and lock. Good. So I'm going to copy my text right away. I'm going to copy the text I have, copy, get back um, to my app, and then paste this. Whoa. So I click OK. Calm down. Calm down. Let me a little bit pinch out to see what I'm doing properly. Okay. If we activate grid, snap and grid, thought is just going to show without snapping. If we activate grid, you're going to see that from here I want it to be on this grid. Understand, this is the main grid. Good. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out again. So after putting there, let's deactivate this. I don't want it. And anyway, it's not going to even, I remember if I just change font, this, no, I need something, this black, is it too much? Extra bold. Okay, okay, duplicate it. What am I doing? I'm confused or what? Okay, let's see what we can get here. From here I want industry. The alignment is very perfect. So I'm going to use redesign here. Just hope this works well. Hey, remove this shit. I want proper alignment here. Okay, so this is kind of okay, not too close. So this one is going white. All right, so I have these two elements here. The colors are combining well and all these things are going well. So I'm going to now have my little title, industry redesign. So I'm going to have this. This text, because of the inabilities of phone, because it's a phone design, so we can't actually highlight each word and give what we want. So I'm basically going to delete this off. Remember, we're using Montserrat. Okay, so I'm going back to that. No, I think we had two font choices, but no, Montserrat again. I'm going with it, but this time I'll go with light. Right? Good. Not a bad idea. Good. Alignment from the top. Remember that. Have an idea. Wait first. I want to see something. Let's see how it works. If it's gonna work. Absolutely, it will. Okay, let's try something here. So this is cool, but I would like to have build. Why am I choosing build? Because they are into industry and redesign, and what they are doing is actually building, so highlight that one and give it extra bold and bring it back to, I forget. I just wish it's going to align properly. I think to some extent I have no choice. Leave it like that. Whoa, it's showing up. That is what I was running away from. So which means that I will have to delete this off and just jump and jump and jump. Still didn't give me the space enough. I think now it's enough. Shade of yellow. I think brighter shade of yellow or the same orange, because this thing is disappearing and I wouldn't want that. Okay, in that case we have that yellow. Even construction is good with yellow and blue, so we go with yellow. So let's change our color collection whatever to this color. There's a big problem here. I don't know what it is, but I think there is a problem here. So let's just continue. So my flyer is almost ready, but I'm just having issues with these colors. I'm having issues with it. Okay, so now let me go back to the background and choose this. Still didn't disappear, giving me a different color completely. So let's just do away with it so it doesn't misinform us. Okay, so we'll just be using with colors blindly, just like that. Whoa, that's the problem. You lie to us, we lie to you. Okay, Apparently I wanted something bright like this, but I don't know. When it comes here, it just disappears. But this one going well, so I don't know what's the problem, but I think I'm almost getting it right. So lock this layer up. Have trying to position it center, so it's in the center, and I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. It's in the center right now. So I kind of like what I have right now. So I'm just going to get the logo. Whoa, where is my logo? I created a logo here. Send to back. Delete this one off because I want the black and white. So now I should have created this logo somewhere else. It's not off, and import it back. Come back, delete this off, delete this off. Alright guys, follow me along very well. So let's have the logo back in here. Now we go to picture, and then we go to add picture, we go to device, and then we have to locate the file where it's saved. So in my system it saves unknown, so I'm going to just import it. So you can see I have it here. So as I have let me take this up. I want this color to show through a bit, you understand? So maybe I can use another style, duplicate this, or wait, I have this. I think this is a shape, right? So and then I'll align it properly. And then I'll reduce the opacity to something like this, so that the color can show through a bit. Okay, so this one, I'm going to increase it a bit like that. And what again? The phone numbers. Okay, let me decrease this one. Sorry, let me copy the website and the phone number. Good. Let's get back to work. Paste it. Remember, we're using Montserrat. Don't use another one. Not even in a joke. You have this. You have this. Wow, it's up. Are you kidding? I think the contact details are too big. I am going to have to use 25. Whoa. 4,000 for what? 25. Okay, so since I have that, I think this is done, but I think for the sake of this, maybe this logo should be turned to black and white. So let's see. Let's see something. Let's see. I'm going basically, I think I have to bring in the, whoa, he's gonna bring them separate. So annoying. I have no choice what I was running away from. And what is that? How many times? Okay. The text to white. Bring it down. Make sure you don't make a mistake. Okay. Okay, so we have the logo there. So basically this also have to be converted, or this logo and the element, we can have them go to this color. Can have the icon go to that color, and then we have this one here. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this design right now, but I'm seeing a lot of space down here. Maybe I can get something to cover up for this space. So what could that be? What shapes do I have here that can make up for that? Good. Uh, okay. Copy, duplicate, paste, paste. Uh, paste. Select all, copy, and paste. Select all, copy, space, paste, and cut it from here so it doesn't look the same, and bring it to center alignment. You're still standing the same. Now this is what I was avoiding. Okay, it means something is wrong, so add one more to see again. Good. It's now standing separate. Good, better. So bring it, make sure the spacing is almost like the same. Good. Now I'm having the same spacing. So from here I can have something like this and nothing can happen. So I think this is not a bad addition. We can maybe make it fainted a bit and then duplicate it. Let me take it to the top. Did you see that where I place it? Guess you did. Look at it here. So I think basically I think this graphic is done, but I'm going to change this to white. So in that case, because we're going to do digital printing, so maybe we'll have to go along with this, something like aligning the two together. What font is this? Okay, I'll use 35, and then I'll use 35. So okay, it's locked, so no point disturbing them. This one, so we bring it here. Can we add it? Chat says manual. Only way to add it is manual. Okay. Okay, so we do this, and I think I'm okay with the graphic right now. We may decide to add separation. We may decide to add this. Yes. I think it's becoming important. What is this? What's the rotation? Okay, let me check the rotation. It's 90. Man, I tried. That was just one time rolling. So we can have this, and it will add beauty to our design. So I think, because if we add it in the middle, it's not going to give us what we want. So I think I'm okay with this design. So guys, thank you for staying and being along with me here. So thank you guys, and enjoy your day. And this is just how I build things from the rough and get a design done. So thank you so much and have a great time. But you can also convert this to a 2-page by let's say let's save it as draft. When we save it as draft, we also export it as JPEG. Yeah, you can have double. So since we can have double of this, you can save this and then go back, go to resize, what is it called again, to resize canvas, and then you can swap the figures. So remember this figure 1191, so say 1684 and say 1191. We have swapped the figures, and you can select all, clear, and then import. and then import. Where is import? And then import. Sorry. Okay, go to pictures and then device. So I'm going to bring in that design. So once it fill up, I'll make sure it go on T stands to the end. No. You're not serious, right? So you can, or maybe let's save this draft first. Save this draft. Go back to the main design. Change layout. Change layout by maybe having this. Now we're just going through a lot, so I'm just trying to get you used to some of my ways of approaching things. So this one I'll delete it this time. Let's build. I'm going to add the build together with this. Let's build it together. So I'm going to cut it from here, cut it from there. Add it here, and then change this to this, and then I'm going to change the font to Montserrat bold, so that there will be clear difference between this and this. All right, so good. Maybe it can come up. So you can have a little text here. Let's build it together. So you now write, let me say Max developers are a design and a construction and a construction company. Next, based in New York, based in Abuja, Nigeria. Okay, make this as small as possible. Right now, I think I'm okay with this. Montserrat, but this time regular or medium. Medium. You're such a godsend. Okay, let's have a demarcation. Let's have it. Let's have that demarcation. And this one is going on white. So this Okay, man, this was tough. I must admit, it was very, very tough, you know. Very tough, yes, very tough. No joke, very, very tough. But I think I'm done with this, so I'm almost done here. So just going to think of something nice here. Um, do we have anything like about us? I think okay, this is it. So what else do we want to design? Okay, so now let's find focus on this and have um, what is have an idea. Let's help build it together. Okay, with this build. Okay, so it means people build things, so we will still use that same picture before. No, not from. I want to use the ones here. Ah, no, not again. Free. Okay, get this. Get this 1 second, and then order this to front. And okay, so this one we have to go with a building. What did I choose again? Man, okay, okay. I think because high tech, where maybe we're conducting whatever. Let's have that, and then have a building here. Building. Okay, have a building there. What? Which would you choose? Should we go with this? What? Let's go with this. I'd love to have something like that. No, we swap. Cause from what I've just seen, may I love this. Hey, what mistake is this? I keep doing that mistake over and over and over. Okay, so change that. I'll go with a different building here. Uh, Good. So I think my design is complete, but it won't be complete without outlines. So these outlines, let's just put it at 74. Okay. Pick eyedropper tool and get this color. Okay. Doesn't matter until you show that is almost the same. Don't come and overpower the rest. Looking at having something good, not scattering what I have. So guys, you can see this has taken a new dimension. But from what I have, I think I'll go with think I'll go with moving this up. And then having this down here. No, I think this place will be the best. That would be the best. Let it be cut outside a bit, and that will bring more professionalism. This one, I don't want it cut. Okay, I think guys, so we're done with this design as well. We can just save it, and we can save it and say poster, just anything. After much deliberation, I decided to add a little bit of texture. You can see it from behind. I got this background from pixels.com. So after deliberating over it, and then I decided, because the white was not coming out very well, so I had to do this in order to get out to bring out the white text very well. So that was just the whole stuff that led to that. So that is that. And I'm going to do the same for the other one. I'm going to add some textures to that, and we'll select that together so that you understand the process. Okay, so I'll save. Let me go to the other one, and that's this. Load and get on with it, so that you'll be part of the process making. Delete this. I think I'm okay with this one. So let's take part in this process making. So I think let's try this. Oh, this may not go well. Okay, send to back, and just reduce the opacity. Very well. I don't like it. Delete. Another one. Got these backgrounds from pixels.com, so in case you want to try, you want to get some, you can do just that. So send to back, and just reduce the opacity to whatever limit you want. Okay, so I think I'm okay with this level. I think it's okay by me. So all this is just to make the white stand out. Okay, so with that, we need a little bit of a shadow on this. With that, we duplicate this, turn this one to black. So, or you can make it yellow. Make it yellow like this. So from here, you can just make it go down, go reduce the opacity, and then think it's better on black. So we do that, and then we reduce the opacity, and we add make it like that. So for that, we bring them closer. so that this can stand out a bit. Okay, so it has a background right now, so the text is standing on a background, and everything is going well. So guys, I think that's what I wanted to add, and I think it is done. So the white is now the white has stood out very, very well. So that is what I just wanted to change and add to make the design much dramatic and much beautiful. So I think there should be shift a bit. Okay, so that's done. So thank you guys and enjoy your day. Thank you. Follow me on Instagram at TCH. Comment, like, and share my videos on YouTube at Joseph Green. Thank you.